hundreds of miles of underground caves, more than 200 mapped, hundreds more they believe to go. We are at Jewel Cave National Monument in the Black Hills of South Dakota. Right now the place is busy. When we got here this morning at 8 o'clock, it was not busy. It was deserted almost. We actually got here 7 minutes before 8. They opened at 8. We've been wanting to check this place out for a long time, and we finally made it today. We're gonna run some footage real quick of what we saw on this cave tour, but first a little bit about it. We've been out adventuring, our anniversary, wedding anniversary, so we took off for a few days to enjoy some time away and do some camping, and you may have seen those videos already. If not, go back and check them out when you're done with this one for sure. But we were down in southeast Wyoming near the Nebraska border, and we decided, hey, let's get up there and go check out Jewel Cave. Quick couple things that you might want to know about. Technically, you want to get your tickets in advance. You can reserve your tickets online up to is it a month in advance, I think? Quite a while in advance anyways. They cut them off at noontime the day before for the online sales. Fortunately, there are some walk-ups available, and so we were here when they opened this morning in a not too bad line, and we were able to get tickets for the 8:40 tour. There's 4 different tours they run here. 2 of them you get walk-ups for, 2 you have to have online reservations. And the online reservations are probably the better way to do it, to make sure you can get a spot on the tour. The ranger-led tours, getting into the facility itself to Jewel Cave National Monument is free, but there is a fee for the tours to help cover the cost of the ranger time and the immense resources they put into putting walkways and stairs in the caves. I can't even imagine what that cost, but I'm sure it was millions. Really cool experience though. So we're going to show you this in just a minute here. Again, what we saw when we were in there. The one we did is there's one that's pretty accessible for people with mobility impairments or anything. According to the rangers, it's a shorter one, and you just go into one big cave room, and you're able to people get into a walker, scooters, wheelchairs, whatever. The one we did was a 90-minute tour. It's only half a mile, and that's deceptive, but it's half a mile, but it's more than 700 stairs, and it's a workout. So I thought 90 minutes, a half a mile, nothing to it. It's a good workout. So a couple interesting things I noticed. It's damp. Now I knew it'd be damp because I've been in a cave once before, and it's 49 degrees in the cave year round. So it's a little bit different that way. It doesn't really feel 49. I did wear a warm shirt, but it didn't really feel quite that cold because of the humidity, and I guess because we were walking and climbing stairs. The other cool thing, the ranger shut out the lights for a minute, and you talk about black. I mean, there's just no light at all. That was an interesting experience. But one of the things I came away with, maybe the most profound thing that impacted me, aside from all the cool scenes and everything, is the effect of being underground on time, your perception of time. It's like time as we know it ceases to exist. It's just weird. I'm not sure how else to describe it, but it was like time wasn't even a thing. So pretty wild. We're back outside. We've got some clouds today. Looks like the sun's trying to break out. We're gonna hopefully do something else today, find another spot to camp, have a little more of an adventure while we're out and about. But for right now, we need to hydrate and eat, because we didn't really eat this morning because it was so early, and I didn't drink very much before we went down there because there's no bathrooms underground. So I didn't figure they'd want me having that crisis down there, so I did not do that. So we're gonna go do that. I hope you enjoy these clips and photos from down in Jewel Cave here at Jewel Cave National Monument, Black Hills, South Dakota.